Slovenia. That's quite steep. I'm not all that stable. Needing a little bit of brake there. Yeah, this one doesn't feel all that safe. Oh. That's why I am using a bit of brake. Because I don't want to die. You can kind of hear the speed limiter on this one. Yeah, I reckon again the thin line between those is Trinity. Whether you use the brake on this one or not. I don't mind getting a little bit of airtime. But the brakes aren't very good on this. Acceleration's good. And we are coming into traffic. But we're near the end of it. And I'm not going to slow down that much. Woo. Yeah, not too much you can do about slow people. But I've had fun. It's been quite an awesome challenge. Woohoo! Well, even with the brake, that's fast. Across the finishing line, finishing every roller coaster in Slovenia in one day. Not too bad.